Alright, let's make a barrel. Delete the cube, add a cylinder, go to the operators panel and change it to 16. Zoom in by pressing numpad delete. Go to edit mode by pressing tab. Now let's move it up a little bit by pressing C and G. Now let's inset the top face a little bit and then extrude it down. Now I'm going to select the whole thing by pressing A and then scale on the C-axis to make it a bit taller. I'm going to add 5 cuts. Scroll wheel to add cuts. There. Now I'm going to make them go away from the middle by pressing scale and lock it to the C-axis. Very good. Now we're going to make it a bit bigger around the center. So let's turn on proportional editing. Choose the center one and press scale. I think there is good. Now turn it off again by pressing O. Then select the edge sliders. Sorry, the loop cuts. And let's bevel them all. So Control B. Just a little bit. These are going to be the rims for the barrel. Now we have to extrude them along the normals. So Alt E and extrude along normals. Now move the mouse a little bit and out comes the rims. This looks very good to me. So now let's color it. Let's go to UV editing and let's add a new material. Change it to an image and open a color palette. I'll leave a link in the description below. Now let's start by selecting the whole mesh, pressing U to unwrap and doing reset. Let's scale that down. Press A and then scale down. And let's make the whole barrel brown. Now let's zoom in on the barrel and select just the faces of the rims. Now we have to select the top part too. So we do Control plus and that'll give an additional selection. Now we move that to a grayish one. Let's go to shading to get a view of that. It looks pretty good. So let's take a picture with the F12. And it's not, the camera is not positioned right. So let's go back to modeling. Press N to open this tab. Go to view and say camera to view. Press 0 numpad and then position the camera properly. Scroll in a little bit so we can see the whole barrel there. Then press F12 and that's it. We got the barrel. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.